You've always got the opportunity to surround yourself with people. The key is for you to choose the good people. One of the keys as a person on a team is to know your strengths and know your weaknesses, know your other teammates' strengths and weaknesses, and to really focus on both, to bring your performance up to another higher level, and then continue to do that and evolve and create the ultimate team that way. The biggest and most team-related win that I had was the 2008 Daytona 500, where my teammate, who is also my competitor in our sport, was unselfish, chose to push me and give ourselves an opportunity at a 1-2 finish, where he could have potentially tried to win the race and we might have finished second and third or fourth and sixth, who knows. But he was unselfish and chose to do what was the right thing for our organization. He could have pulled out, he could have slowed me down, he could have done something that was all for him, but he showed a level of respect that maybe it wasn't his day to be the winner, but it was his day to become part of a championship team. The three things that come to mind for me personally is to be open, to be honest, and be positive. You can always achieve more with other people's help than you can by yourself. It's all up to how you work with those people and create that performance that will set you apart and give you the best opportunity to be victorious.